Indian troops and paramilitary personnel continue their cordon and search operations in different districts of the occupied Kashmir. The troops and paramilitary personnel continue their cordon and search operations on the third consecutive day today in different areas of the Riyasi district. Earlier, one youth was martyred by the troops in Gali Sohab area of the district on Monday. People of occupied Kashmir have paid rich tributes to the Pakistani martyrs of the 1965 war on Pakistan's Defence Day today. With Pakistan is celebrating the Defence Day today, the people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir stand with country to honor the sacrifices rendered by the Pakistani soldiers and citizens in defending their motherland against India in 1965. Protest demonstrations were held in Srinagar and Jammu against the anti-people policies of the authorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, specially able persons under the banner of Jammu and Kashmir Handicapped Association staged a protest at the press enclave in Srinagar, pressing for the resolution of their issues with a special focus on the release of their monthly pensions, which they said has been stopped. Chairman, Joint Chiefs of the Staff Committee, Services Chiefs and Armed Forces of the country have paid rich tribute to the martyrs, their families and war veterans on the Defence Day today. ISPR in a statement said that on 6 September 1965, it was yet again displayed that a smaller but righteous force overcame a larger enemy. Supreme Court of India has quashed the notification for elections to Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, which were scheduled to be held on 10th September. According to Kashmir Media Service, the court order has allowed the National Conference candidates to use plough as an election symbol. Continuing with its nefarious designs to maintain hegemony in the region, the Indian Army plans to procure 170 tracked armed recovery vehicles. The ARVs are special vehicles to operate in multiple areas, including plains, deserts, and high altitudes and mountainous areas. Caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Haque Kakar has said that the 6th September is remembered as the day of vigor, bravery, courage and resilience. In his message on the Pakistan's Defence Day today, he said that it calls to be make a pledge to renew the spirit of loyalty and service to Pakistan. President Dr. Arif Alvi, paying rich tribute to the martyrs and ghazis of Pakistan Armed Forces, has said that the 1965 war stood out in the history as a symbol of unwavering spiritual resolve, professionalism, patriotism and sacrifice.